Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and fix the hair clips. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, roll them and fix it inside the small section of the clips. Tie them together on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail like this after fixing the hairs in the half. Now divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating it, tie the hairs over the bun like this and spread it to the hairs on the sides and fix it at the bottom. Put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a ponytail. Divide the hairs from the half like this and then fold it upward. Fix it inside the hair clutch and put the clutch over it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Fix the hair clips on the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, fold them and fix them inside the clips like this. Tie them together on the top and then fold it down using a rubber band and the bun pins. Fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail like this and then fold it upward and fix it in the half. Now again roll it down, divide it from the between and fix the hairs inside and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail as shown in the video. Now fold it upward and put the hair clutch like this. Now again tie the hairs on the top and roll it down and fix it using the bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and fix this bun form on the hairs. Now spread the hairs like this and put the rubber band over it. After that, collect the hairs from the sides, roll it around like this and put the rubber band. Fix the hair clutch over it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail as shown in the video. Now roll the hairs as we are rolling it. Fold it together as shown in the video. Now fold it like this and make a bun. Fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a high ponytail and then fix the bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it and then fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Rotate the hairs as shown in the video. Now make the plaits on the hairs as we are making. After that, you have to fold the hairs and fix it inside the hairs by spreading it and put the hairpin like this and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and put this bun plate on the hairs. Now roll it upward and fix it from the sides. Spread the hairs and put the rubber band over it to fix it. Put the bun pin on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Roll the hairs using this bun clutch like this and fix it on the side and lock it. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail using a rubber band and fix it in the half. Now pull it back and then fix it inside the hairs and put the rubber band over it to make a bun. Now fix this bun net over the hairs like this and put the back pin over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making the ponytail or the bun. So first that we have to roll the hairs using the fingers like this. Now put it on the sides like this. Put the hair clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail as shown in the video. Now after that, we will roll the hairs, dividing it from the between like this. Fix it on the top inside the hair clutch and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a high ponytail like this. Roll the hairs and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it using the hair clutch as shown in the video and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.